How to add Apple Pay to Shopify store. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site of Shopify. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, head over to Settings at the bottom left corner. Inside Settings, head over to Payments. And then click on Choose a Provider. At the right side of the screen, the option of Apple Pay will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on that checkbox. And then once again click on Enable. Once you click on Enable, the Apple Pay will be successfully enabled on your Shopify account. And then you'll be good to go. After that, whenever you try to buy something from Shopify, at the time of checkout, you can simply choose the payment method as Apple Pay and then make a payment with the help of it. You can still choose other payment method as well. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add Apple Pay on Shopify store. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.